Wala bafethu, igama labo lithi Mahole. Namhlanje ngikucela lokhu.
Theo Lukhwareni, guys.
Theo Lukhwareni. Yeah, Theo mfethu. Okay, Theo mfethu. Siyabonga mfethu ukuthi it's been a very long while, but it's stuck in time and all. Yeah, same time boy ukuthi sitholile lethuba. Yeah, and by the way, guys, the first time kumela ngaphandle sesizozwana ukuthi how did you like it or kanjani bafethu, but we had to bafethu. Theo is mfowethu naye current parcela kwe-agent of change ozobeka indaba yakhe asixoxele ukuthi hayi yena udlule kuziphi igameko neziphi izinto ngenxa yayo iba nezinto lezi. Theo phela Bijamile, please tell us a story. Jaya, ngicela usho ukuthi wena ukhule kanjani, like ukhule out enjani? Singasho ukuthi from 10 years to 16 years.
Okay, basically ngikhulele eAlfred Nkeleza Siphuthweni, by meaning ukuthi Nkeleza Siphuthweni. I've studied at matriculation schools, basically Malvern Primary, from Malvern Primary to John R. This journey of mine started while I was growing up high school. Yeah, at first it was all glamorous with all these uncles of ours wearing Italian clothing, smoking, thinking it's all cool. It's all started there. Yeah.
So mawuthi ngicela ku high school like ku higher primary, like umuntu onjani, like what kind of facilities, what kind of sports were you playing, like
yeah, I was more into soccer, many things. I was involved in swimming, studied at a technical school doing
okay, so Musethe. Okay, so tell me, Musuyanga in high school, so Musuki izinto was experience like ezingathi yazifundiswa abazali.
Yeah.
Izinto bathi hey ungayenzi into so. Njengoba so usema-material school, angithi outside nasekhaya.
Yeah.
So taste everything.
Yeah, you get exposed to into ezibhaya.
Yeah, so when I was in high school, siyini ezinye izinto masosukele nje.
Ukujola, zolonyana, wayanyana, yabo. But it started up near Mendrex.
Yeah. Like your first thing when you level was Mendrex?
No, my first thing in Yenzile, which I smoked for 2 days, was weed. Then from weed, after 2 days, I was introduced to Mendrex, which is now the KCC data.
Okay. Yeah. So njengoba uqalile umntana onjani ekhaya, like what type of child you are, like background enjani, like.
Say the background was all good. My mom could do everything for me. I was a good guy. I was going to church. At church, I was an altar server. Basically, everything was good. Yeah, my parenting, everything was fine for me. Yeah.
So the child was
I was super.
Alright. So yeah, high school when the number transport to
no, ngihamba ngesitimela. Yeah, estimated is where now we get exposed to many different things. Sinabangani from different schools, siyaqala siyabhanka. Sibhankela khona la kwami khona yabo. Yeah, so ezinto ezibhawu we get exposed ke sesiyaqala siyabhema ke zona lensamo lesi singukutshela. After 2 days nyana khona zasaphethe Mendrex, yabo. It's where I started falling in love with drugs.
So when smoking the weed, kusaseyintwana like danger.
Yeah.
Iqonda sase-straightening like sasesisuka izinto eziphazamisayo. So masushaya lo-Mendrex manje lezona like how was that first hit? How did you feel?
It got me paranoid. It got me so paranoid I was even scared of going outside. So to me it was not a nice feeling.
So meaning instead of Kutan to see.
Yeah.
So what made you smoke again?
I thought it maybe at first it was into see that the second time I'll get used to it. And it's gonna get worse. So I saw the Mendrex, then it was cool for me.
Mendrex.
Yeah.
So more details cool for you. Tell me, like you hitting that, like you getting that first hit.
Yo,
What
I
happened to you?
felt super, man. I felt like, yeah, I'm the guy. Because I never had that thing which I'm seeing things or anything. I could easily talk to everybody. It killed that thing, the nerve, then now some face about out there. Because I was like, umntana ukhulele endlini. Yabo, umama bekangazi anything about what I'm doing. Should I was living two different lives. Endlini I was a kid, I started being sterile. You understand?
So
Yeah.
more maybe like you don't get the who's calling pretty double life. Like, is it because ukhula ngapha, uhlala ngapha, ufunda ngapha?
Yes. Because other thing, endlini noma bathini should be a king. You understand? If you're gonna live the other life, la ejaradini, ubheme izinto la ejaradini, you understand ukuthi those days sithanda nempahla and everything. So if bengizobabonisa endlini impilo le engiyiphile estradeni, bebazongisanctiona kwinto eningi, you understand? Yeah.
So do you think ufunda elamula or ema-TV, so do you think ukuthi more lezinto lezi ungaba exposed to because awuhambanga ubonge
I don't think so. I really don't think so. I will be honest with you. Ngafunda edorobheni awuthani izinto ziba more simpler and more exposed. Because uthola ukuthi oyi-one endlini kubo bathengisa ama-drugs. Oyi-one kubo umama uyashopisa. So you get all that environment in one. You understand? And sonke at most sinemali. Akekho ozothi kubo akanamali kubo kunemali. So there's no need for compromising. Sonke omunye unukuza nebhodlela unplanned, you understand?
So okay, in all of that, okay, simhlangene nalawa manje simatraining, simhlangene naphuza, abekho senihlangene nakazata nani mawubuya endlini because angithi so plan something manje.
Yeah. Mawubuya endlini, you just caught up in your groups.
Like figure unjani, they don't detect.
They detect nothing, and you understand which so you know when you like that, when you come back from school, high and everything, you just go to your bedroom, open your books, and you act like you're studying. While mothers will check up and they find your eyes are all red. But I'm tired of been studying, things like that. You could manipulate your way out of that. They couldn't detect it until at a later stage. You understand? Where now you are out of control.
So how long did it take you to be out of control? Like did it take you? Did you finish your high school or did they detect you going to high school?
Yeah, while I was doing high school, my matric year.
Okay. So there was how many years ago?
The thing about 4 to 5 years on Gaza.
Can you give me the journey in Gaza, like when they are 45 years? Like can you put me inside that 45 years? Like these things, like how did you take this deal and make another deal, which is the double life that's so appeal, like the lifestyle is so appeal. Like, can you put me inside it in a beginning?
Yeah, at first yes, it's gonna be all cool and everything. And within those times, now things are starting to disappear. Yeah, maybe they buy a certain takey. After 2 days, it's no more there. Now the trust is getting away from the house. You understand? Things are starting to miss. Like you start stealing from the house. Now the cravings gets too high, and things like that, man. The trust now.
So you still defeat the head.
Yeah, you have
to. Money you must explain.
Yeah.
So I stopped. I'm a sudden game in Logan.
Okay.
Now when you explain in that 4 years.
Yeah.
Sele yathatha lana yathatha from this CEO kadajona tenda yini agenza isitiyo sakarafu sakashayincheni or sakayenzana understand kwakuthiphile ukuthi kuleya mpilo leya okade uyiqalile yini difference usolo wakudlula umuntu like yabona lapho too much house.
Yes.
Yeah, those schools
By
changed.
then there were no tap houses.
Yeah,
You understand?
Journey, yeah, before when I was high school.
Until now.
This is again a step by step.
Okay. Yeah, with high school, I could say what changed a lot is my behavior. They could have, my mom spotted some different things with them and still started behaving other ways. I have many friends now, of which I don't go to school with Abanyabala Lukshini. So she could spot, but she couldn't easily detect with no, Theo smoking drugs. Because now it was hidden. Because we always need clean, each areas, these are in and out, you understand? Even though not the best spam, but you couldn't tell. Njengamanje, and we were not that dirty as like man, you understand? Yeah.
Okay. So okay, now we are so telling that.
Yeah, ngicale indala yaphuma ngapema i-Thai white. Right now it's called Nyaupe. Yeah.
So open my
Yeah.
Then
You went to Thai white. It was by then it was called Thai. Yeah, Thai is the most addictive drug. It's heroin. So Thai is Kalanjani. Mendrex Mengasatolari. It's that simple. So one of my friends was an Thai. Sakara Sapemi Thai. I became a hobo for 2 years in town. The reason becoming a hobo, bese George and I Lukshini, ngashisa sengifuna abantu, I had to run away. Ngathola sengisedrobheni for 2 years ngiyihobo, then got arrested and went out of prison after 3 years or so. So I quitted there, I started cat after that.
So you coming from this training, investor.
Yeah.
From your primary and towards high school.
Yeah.
So now it is celebrating like time. I understand. There was open time. Can you put us in the time with Timothy at Georgia?
Yeah, now in Georgia it was hard.
And what is your family saying? Like, because more like, I think I'm the one should be a car. So what was your family saying, or how was you and your family at that?
The trust and everything was we should sending the family, distant families, they couldn't even bangivumela ukuthi ngizohlala nabo sesingishisa khona la enkasi, you understand? Because manje i-trust bayingasekho bese kuqalile nginaleya bheke engiphethe ukuthi niyuze ama-drugs, yabona. And you understand, as soon as people know that you are using drugs, i-trust ayisekho, even umzali wakho had self akasakuthembi, you understand? Yeah.
So who introduces heroin?
Now, never say somebody introduced kuyo, but I saw it. SGT, and I tried it. We tried one. Nobody forced me to try this stuff. From a friend. So the highness, I fell in love with it. Yeah, so I started using it. Unfortunately, it got me more and more low. It got me so into trouble. So the addiction without it you cannot do anything, because you have to smoke in the morning and you have to smoke at night, because if you don't, it has this thing, you have which you cannot eat if of a manga, cannot sleep if of a manga, cannot function well actually if of a manga.
So we are harmed by the cancer issues. So said before, how will you survive?
Hey man, that was hard. It was hard. We had to do many things to survive. You know, as we met, let's see, Ghana, in a set of ways, somewhere, you know, with the first people in town, with the last people in town. So anything is possible. Usually these abandoned buildings, we used to take things from those things like copper. We used to have some of these vendors who sells veggies to pack their things or unpack their things to their storerooms. Yeah, there are many ways to skin a cat actually in town, but it's not as easy as it sounds now, as I'm telling you that. It was very hard.
But you had 2 years. for these 2 years, like,
Yeah, believe me, in that 2 years, I was not on my own. My mom, even though she knew all the bad things I did, but as a mom, she was always there for me. She made sure every Friday she came see me there in town while I was a whole. Actually, in her back mind, she thought she's renting me a flat. You understand? Kantimina, I'm staying in town in the streets. So every Friday I had a salary for income or incentives I got from my mom. Because
okay. So no Monday, like,
was
when I'm only toilet,
smoking. Having a pen. Yeah, so you never ate from the dustbins, but simple things things in town cheap. Yeah, in town everything you get is cheap in town.
So you've been a home for years.
Yeah.
You never ate anything.
Never a single day.
Like people who say that
never. There are places in like Park Station where they call kitchens there.
Okay.
Yeah, so everything there is cheap. You get a fat cake for 50 cents, coffee for 2 rand, a full plate with meat and everything for 15 bucks. So, and 15 bucks is easy to be done within seconds. You can just pick up bottles or tins, go use Kaliza, then you get that a certain amount. You understand?
Okay, so I see now you are saying Mama can you know the one. So I would tell you when at the back of your mind, did you have that thing every time I go back home?
Yes, I had it. Every day, especially
2 years.
Ekasi sachets that was still bad, people looking for me ups and down. And you understand the thing, you are looking, people who are looking for you are people you don't know. You understand? And other people are now blaming you for things you don't know. You understand? So it was very scary because it could get easily got killed by anybody. You understand?
So in all of this,
Yes, we had some abangani ngibathole lapha, some abangani abangibathole lapha.
Have you ever introduced when I tied to somebody with that don't
Believe you me, I've never introduced anybody to drugs. But people have seen me in Bama. The following day, somebody comes. But I tell them not to do it. Yes, then to Sarabu. Then to Sarabu in an obstacle 1, 2, 3. You understand? It's not that easy. It's not that easy.
So, because our parents now they cannot detect abantwana babo at the early stages. Ngiyakhuluma nje advise umngane wami ukuthi into ezisona angikazi mina ngicabise esikoleni.
Mina, I'll tell you the thing, what most people like me ezisifaka kula drug industry. Abazali bethu, they like to give us an ear. They like to talk to us. Most of the things esidinga ukukhuluma nabo asikwazi ukukhuluma nabo because they don't have time for us. You understand? So far, I'm still smoking even now. What I do, it's not easy, big man. You can go to the so-called trap house. Right now, this crystal meth thing. You go to the trap house. Uthola umntana akutshele isitori esibuhlungu, umntana being introduced to drugs by ubabakhe, same time ubabakhe ulala naye, you understand? And then loyo mntana akutshela ukuthi yazi ngibatshelile endlini ukuthi 1, 2, 3 is happening between mina nobaba, but due to ukuthi she's carrying that bag ukuthi ubhema ama-drugs abamthembi endlini. So thina in the drug world, we give each other support, even though ungeke advise what to do, but we'll let you what important thing and here. So kubamela inkinga zakho, but ukuthi sizokwazi uku-advise what we cannot do that. You understand?
Trap house, man. Trap house ngifika vele senaluthola ukuthi ngithatha ama-fixwe endlini yomzali kumele aphathe enze sure ukuthi kuneplate plate kumele enze sure ukuthi une-uniform incwadi nani-1 transport kusasa ngalestep.
It ends up umzali angasazingeni.
Sengisho isikhathi vele umzali ugcina
yeah, umzali ugcina angasazingeni.
Sasuthi kumele alalahlile sasuthi kumele avuke esikoleni understand. So isikhathi sokuthi solve indaba yenawo it's not easy, you understand.
True that.
But as I hear you ukuthi abazali balalehlole ukuthi they don't have time for their kids.
Children, yeah, children.
So when are you a parent?
Present tense, no.
No. Okay, I said if you put yourself in your mother's shoes, it may not easy for you to get like you are getting.
You know, Pigman, as much as I'm telling you, Gucci, umtana right now, yakutshela baba mina ngithanda ibhola, for a typical example. When we are all out, ngiyomthengela i-Cox le-Nike elidurayo la-today. When as a parent you think you teach your best, can't you know? Noma ubungamthengelanga lelo Cox, but you being there, adlala his first match, is more important than the Cox. Many people, guys, we need support. Support from our parents, not money, not anything, but just being there. Just kicking your first goal or whatever. That will definitely mean a lot to you than it costs.
So then take ukuthi thina support abantwana we feel ukuthi umntana ethaphuleke like umntana ethashine
Yes.
yes support lento le athi unayo.
Yes. It's what's happening. Most of the stores engakutshela zona this enami ngizizwayo kulama trap houses, big men ungaba shocked.
So what's your story?
Mina my story.
Mina story look great.
Yeah.
You've said it, there's this thing, a problem. What was that thing when abangazange bagayile the opportunity to
my mom never had time for me, and she took me to the best schools and everything. But I'm now one day, I'll fully check homework, for example, or I'm not homework. No. But mama, ini Valentine's ball, for example, ziyawa mdinga 1, 2, 3 ama-Levi's, ama-Yeezy, nana. She would make sure that I get those things. Yeah, understand? But with mangkala ngitshele mama nginga 1, 2, 3 nethi utlogele eretla bua ka yona. You understand? So here are some of the things. Believe me, I'm not blaming her for izinto engizenzile or kule into engiyiyo today. But I believe if she was there ngendlebe na physically would abe there for me, maybe many things could have changed. Understand?
So now we are there, and obviously like all now so you parent.
Yeah.
You know into ngalelo we change.
Mina into ngalelo ukubada for my kid each and every step. Yeah. Into mina ngijabule ukuthi most of the things ezenzakala kule industry it's the community esineglektayo ebasinika negama leli because nelobhema amagqala so simwriter off. You understand? So it's another thing that kills the community.
How would it make you feel when utanako umgelezisile bese so ngibona awela kule nto yama-drugs izokenzani?
It will kill me now. It will kill ingangibulala ingenze weak. What did I do wrong? But somewhere I should analyze with name. Why did it go wrong? Because I don't believe everything starts from nowhere. Yeah, there is a core or the into a you understand?
Okay, I get you.
And there's no things like peer pressure. Mina ngiyazi into babiza peer pressure ngudaki bethu into bathi amamoods akunamamoods thina kawo si-straight uthi into uma uyibona uyithandile uyasingenela akekho umuntu ofaka omunye umuntu ezintweni. There you are pushing the blame, you're being a coward. You understand?
So njengoba usho ukuthi you're pushing the blame umamakho. So I wanna know ukuthi wena njengoba pushing blame umamakho ukuthi
yes sir.
But have you ever told your mom ukuthi mom mina the problem is this? Maybe
several times. I've even made jokes about it. I even make jokes. Remember the time who passed away? They say he's got brain tumor. Was an artist, Mandozo or whoever. Did he pass away? So one of those people, the legs of Brenda. I could tell my mom, thinking good maybe she could go out there, seek help for me or anything. But she just stared at me and laughed at me. You understand?
So in all the period time when mama I'm going to the bed. I have been like I put my hip, yeah. Akaze wathatha isikhathi sakhe athatha kise-rehab.
Never.
Uke wamcela
Never. I've never been to rehab. No mama magazi she suggested a thing.
So you've never been to rehab?
Never been to rehab. Yeah.
Okay, so but there was a time whereby you were clean.
What do you mean clean?
Like you were...
Looks can be deceiving. That's the thing.
Not looks wise, but you...
I mean, even now you can see I'm clean, but
yeah,
you cannot easily say, you cannot easily spot me and say, he's a tight junkie. Yeah, understand?
You were there to your car, to do groceries.
And even, I still do those things, buying groceries and etc. But due to weight-wise, you're saying fat, now I'm a bit thinner. It's a bit of stress. Now I'm running a household. I'm living on my own. I have to buy myself from soap to tea bags, you understand? It's not easy. Think of it that little in my life. I have to buy a broom. Wow. I never thought a broom is so expensive, it's 70 bucks, big man. So I never thought in life I could face those challenges. So you cannot think that I will be fed anytime soon, because now things are stressing. I'm running a household now. My mom passed on, unfortunately.
You saw this in peace,
yeah,
when was that?
2021, 2016. Yeah. So
2021 when the COVID time.
Yeah, it was COVID time. Yeah, it was COVID time, but it was a bit easier by then.
It wasn't COVID.
It's just a sudden death. You could say it was or not, we're not sure. But what I'm trying to say, think of from 2021, now we're on 2020, 2024, it's been 3 years. So I've been running the house on my own, no help, nothing like that. So things like that, people shouldn't expect me to get fed or how.
Because 3 years, I think was so achieved.
It's not easy. Every time there's a new thing which you never thought, you have to go make a plan with it. The stove must be okay. You understand? I've got dogs too, you can see. They must eat, I must eat. They must bath, I must bath. You know good, as much as I don't have the kid, but you know good how sad or how depressed I get when my dog gets sick. I have to take it to SPCA. It's another expense which I don't have. So it's things like that that gets me thinner. That's why I'm telling you, looks can be deceiving. Yeah. So another thing, what the community does to us again, it kills our morals. Why we say that? Why I'm saying that? I'm good in painting, I'm good in interior designing, I'm good in a lot of things, especially what's due to paint. But due to that, I've got that baggage.
What you're good in painting, like
yeah.
Now, like they don't want to see it's true. They want to help to pull you out cases. Maybe calling one to go ahead and die. What you like in a full motor don't break it. I don't want the trouble. So as it is, you sharing your story, which you you must give them that which part. I mean, I don't need the trouble. But you pay and I'm going to
True that. That's why we tell us people with money. I'm owning a big house. I'm going to call with Nanza if love and touch it. If food no muntu nizongasela kule big house that no. That I don't want. I don't steal. I don't do anything. I work every day. No more at money look umkoti. I would do that. That's good thing was good and was cares and was poor. I understand. Good George, not all of us who smoke. No. Some of us siyasebenza usithole leyo income yana. Kumanje mina mangishanyela la kwamsoluthe. I sweep also my neighbors one. Month end bayangipha a certain amount ebangipha yona just to say thank you. You understand? So what I do at most, ngiphilisana nabo makhelwane nobaba. About anything abayidingayo, I'm there. Run around to run errands for them in the day.
Okay. So now okay, banayo level of trust.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, mosasho ukuthi kwenza painting.
Yeah, painting, interior designing, landscaping, everything that has to do with in repairs. Yeah.
So it's qualified.
No, I don't have papers to prove that, but I have a portfolio to prove that.
I understand. So that's what we do.
I never paperwork. I understand. True that.
So, okay, I understand.
True that.
Phuza amanzi sishare ngalezo understand. So mina ngifuna ukwazi ke Jaya wena mawungathi umhleli kanje yini into ongayisho-ke just to give uyi-one ubuye ngale yakho ukuthi ocabangayo ukuthi le mpilo bekuye mnandi namnandi understand like ungamguide advice don't even go there
yo
Give your own way.
Lempilo ayikho mnandi kwala. Lempilo ayikho mnandi. Mina simply city, I will tell you, don't join the world of drugs. It's not an easy world. No more but still, if people knew that you are a smoker, you will carry that baggage until you go to your grave. So it is not a cool thing, Pema. And for me as an individual, I always these young ones in my drug world, I always advise them with either fit, la easy. And go man, mina, as much as I told you, some people thinking it's all cool. It's even worse. People are killing each other, people are poisoning each other. So it's not a place to be. But I would love to tell Abazal there is a way out here. Give your kids an ear, tell them how important they are in their lives. Everything I believe it will be fine. And don't forget, Nkulunkulu call.
I suppose the government is very like I want to call you so you since you spoke about and like you just put it in Jaganan, how did you make it like was a killer?
No, big man. As I said, corner, Umzali never bought it in that because I understand, yeah, because everything I enzai or we enzai, it's a math against the Leon, I understand. But now, Marasagashonile, and I understand which you are the rotten potato in the family. All the pain by Kushawu, you could be playing good. So it was just a sudden death. We don't know what caused the death. They could say, they used to say it was me. Yeah, why not stress mama? Why not say mama tropofile, things like that. You understand what? Lezo zinzimanja will deal with. You understand? So I would kindly advise them agents now with Pastor Nabazani or Babosis, Nababule industry, and Tola with guys, know one thing, parents are more important than anything in this world. Respect them, show them that love. I believe they will help you. You understand?
So do you believe this drug thing like in a community, like you consider you guys as a community?
Yeah, we consider ourselves as a community of drugs, but in our own world. The community itself is full. You understand? And the community itself is the people who love but take part in helping those little ones never joined this thing yesterday or time. I understand. I believe in a just keep these people busy, but only their certain income level. Make them feel welcome now in Parachi. Let's forget about what happened. Bygones, let bygones be bygones. You understand? Yes, there's nobody on that sort. Or there's nobody who's extremely perfect. You understand? We all have our wrongs and rights. As much as at least you want to admit with a man, men are impacted 1, 2, 3, than law only admit. or than somebody ojamina anyanzanga lani lo thing yenzile and please ucela uncedo masingiphe chance sincedeni labo bantu. Understand? I believe we can make a huge difference now.
Okay. Do you understand? So, do you consider you guys as a community?
True that, yeah.
Strong. So do you think Joba Sini community, do you think we will ever break this thing?
Easy. Very easy. Let's keep these people there, a chance, a community, then I believe everything is okay.
So the chance you talk about
Chelsea, first, but penny there. Found out what would lead into second, would Emily to where he is or where she is right now. Then found a solution, everything from the resources.
But the only important thing is an elite. Like the elite must have a problem. Understand? Essentially, it's got a problem. And the community, no matter when I am better, I'm going to approach. Some project,
that's why it won't be easy.
So what's chance? Like what kind of chance will I issue? What kind of chance do you?
Nobody is ever perfect. As much as Louis Vuitton, after 2-3 months or 3 years, so I'm going to diamond to will not need a 40. Emehlweni wakho ubona ngathi angisabhemi, yes, maybe angisabhemi, I want to change. But when I still usanthatha udawukulwe ubhema amachazi in and one thing yenza into ufuna uqhubela wena into angisazenzeli, you understand? So it will start breaking down again. Sengiyobuyela lapha kule track world yami kule community yami nje engithatha serious engipha indlebe noma ngithenga iskipa sase Mr. Phanyana bayakwazi ukumcongratulate intwana omuhle kanjani, but thina kulis other community le yabantu abamsula abazibona abamsula, there's no compliment. I want to tshontshe balesa skipa lesa, you get my point. But change how you need to look, keep it up, you look clean and everything. They just wonder, wow, I want to tshontshe leba, you get my point. So at most, as the community, we break, and at most, it is about Kulisayo, it is about Bilda, it is about Kula, it is about thing, understand?
Okay, so I hear you. The cool like guys support the community, like you feel what the people can change. I 100% support you. That I might feel what they can change. As much as now, change about
sure.
They know me until they are so they can change to better themselves.
True that.
I want that for
we all do.
So, since we spoke about laying down house and you have the stories what are the stories that you have seen on my trap house that you can say, wow?
People have seen the worst. I've seen good and bad. Yeah, I've seen good and bad. As much as in my trap houses, I've seen junkies supporting each other. We should for a positive thing by playing into a grand by years due to Tina food is a so special with umuntu manje siqala ikhawash but bathi lethi imoto matha laba bonke bayabheka. You really think ukuthi lo muntu uzoletha imoto yakhe? No, uzotama nje ngithi ngiyanibulizisa ukuthi anazi ukuthi ubantu banihlala kuphi kanti nobeka lethi imoto ukuthi uzowakha. So masingayeka lesa stigma lesa sokuthi abantu bayabheka sibanike a fair chance. It's what I always tell people, but if you have a food service, it's ganjan, then feeling better, Bangladesh, yes, that all right, you have a food service. I would do have a food service, you have school men, apparently you never even gave me a chance. You understand? I believe they deserve also to be given a fair chance. There are many people who smoke drugs. but ngoba bayasebenza and they look good and abahambi nama-trap house, you cannot tell. You understand? Yeah.
So give me the worst thing you've seen in a trap house.
And the worst thing big men have seen, people get stabbed, trap house, I've seen young girls being raped. Oh man, I've seen the worst.
So it's a certain thing, which
yeah.
if you cheat around, if you don't have so
for ukutita ukuthi ungene ebugebengweni, it's a 50-50 thing. Akekho umuntu ozokuforce. But uma uyintombazane, chances zokuthi uzoreyipeka, chances zokuthi uzothola usenkingeni ungasazi ukuthi. You should understand, big men, with uma uyintombazane, at most you cannot hustle. You understand? Intombazane ngeke iphumela uyowasha imoto. Intombazane ngeke iphumelana ithole PT job yakho ukuthi uzoqina lakabo no. So intombazane kaningi abakwazi ukuphatha. So at most baphana ngani ngekhekhelana. So uthola ukuthi umntana abantu sakabhenile sakafuna ukuhamba untanga uyamcinela. Abontanga bayamcinela. I've seen such things.
So
yeah, I've witnessed it, not once, not twice. But
at most,
man, okay, 4, 5, 6.
So when I'm or now they will say like
for the cool.
So say now.
Besides Belani, no matter what Selani or Pelani, but more cool team over Pegalavan, they buy 5. When the cruiser will win, you think good to the win? It's impossible.
So in all of this, the Thomas need to be saving back and
in my routine, it turns into Nayo, it turns drugs down. Yes.
So I'm telling you, I got that.
I've heard but I've never witnessed it.
You've heard it, but
yeah,
I went to smoke this fire.
Yeah.
I mean, I never been to a trap.
Yeah.
I mean, I am bash.
Yes. So, no, we're now a watch. You heard, but that's
yeah. So same applies in that level. I mean, when the smoke is fire, I never could have one like five.
None I've heard Gucci, but I've never seen the amateurs, Gucci amateurs from but as much as at most, like right now, emotionally, the big man, we should the prison life, the SS jail, 26, 28, etc. They are living it now outside. So I believe but I'm 28, so what happens? Giants are going to party. So going to a corner, a 9-9. Need witness, yes, but needs well more than once. You die, young 12. So, in cutting the matter short, it's not easy in the back world. Yes.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
You want to upgrade again?
Thinking that
Yeah.
Okay,
before we get there, what is the worst thing you know I hear in the trap house?
Mina.
Yeah.
Mina.
And this is about you.
Yeah, Mina, you must understand the worst thing I've done. Maybe Katuntan once again, you understand? But mina le thing yang yikwala nyana kule kusaba amaphoyisa mina phoza yami, I understand. So ngamthatha umntana wami ngenkani kuze naye entadeni, but believe me, angeke ngenze anything angavumanga ukuthi ngiyenze. You understand? Wow, it was out of this world. Yo, there's a big man. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. I understand. Usually, as much as you've had me telling you about, I've smoked almost all the drugs coming to crystal meth, yo man. It was the best hit ever
Yeah, so
I've
explain to
done.
me, like, the best, like, explain to me what's the best.
Yo, man. I don't know how to explain it, but wow.
Wow.
And,
Wow.
it was out of this world. Shuji.
So it was out of this world.
That was out of this world.
Dude.
Yeah.
So, okay. How long did it take you to take another hit?
No, less than 10 minutes. Yo, less than 10 minutes. Ayazina yona big man ithole unabantu abangezina positive, you understand? Because coming to the point you've raised, I heard you saying ikristali yahlanyisa. But ikristali yahlanyisa.
And I believe that.
Yeah. Nami, I know that akusikristali yahlanyisa is the second oyikhiphayyo ezokuhlanyisa, because while you speak in Spain, my state is Burma. We speak about different things. You understand? You can't go to be free Kulu. We never believe in witchcraft. They start talking about witchcraft. The more you talk about witchcraft, is the more you believe it exists. So you end up believing it to the core with the book shinies in shinies. I understand. I had people telling me weird stories. People believe with those things that record. How could you think of think you very important to be recorded? You understand? So it's the second you keep and the topic you guys keep on talking that makes you at the end of the day, if you talk about one thing over and over and over, believe me, you'll end up believing it. You understand? So it's where the madness starts there. You understand?
So what do you believe?
Me, big man, if you tell me the truth, I believe in God, nothing else. I fear God more than anything. I know God is. It's God who put me here, big man. It's God who done everything for me. As I was telling you to Mama Mushone from me. Believe you me, I'm still making it. I've got no family support or anything, but through God, not good through my own intelligence, but because you don't get down but the marvelous. Sure. You understand? You understand?
Yeah, Charlie. So yeah, you're good with this. So I'm again. Okay, now you decided to die. So providing the church.
Yeah, Holocaust.
So comes like in this exchange like did you go into crime more or did you become an artist or like in this exchange again the die
I was more into self-introspection. Usually, honestly speaking, but my one man. So it moved monthly, but self-introspect. So as I'm telling you, I'm a good painter. Everyone say, isn't to live a being an ascat to who's born. I understand. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not saying drugs are all good, and I'm not saying drugs are all bad, but what I'm saying is, you don't get to ever a flop once you start abusing it. The same applies no drug. Mom choose over ngasakezi. So lala na sister it now comes the trouble. Mina
to drugs.
Due to drugs, I'm saying 2 months ngageza, but now since in Holocaust, I on a daily basis.
So what did I do to get the
Today. No, that's madness. I'm not watching Battlefield. So now bored with as much as no, I cannot come to your house to do the interview. Come to my house. I wanted to show the community and whoever will be looking at this bonke abazobe bayibukela ukuthi akusithi sonke esingcolile. Look at my house, I still have a chandelier. You understand? I still have, my house looks clean. Now you are really impressed. You understand? White, yeah. For 3 years I've never painted, but they're still clean. You understand? Shuti, kuya ngawe muntu ukuthi what do you want? Yes, iyakuyenza ukuthi ube active, clean, but akusiyo uwe individual. Abanye ngithi bayithi bayogana. The community you keep, the surrounding. I'm one of those ngiyenza busy, ngihlala ngiklina, ngiyenzani, ngishidana namaboda, ngezinja. I'm forever busy. Yeah.
So what's your next step when you're married? Do you see yourself in Djibouti so that permanently, or for you it's like it's a lifestyle?
For me, big man, right now, to be honest to you, ngikhathele yizo, but angazi into sangibambile la, but I mean, I'm heading, guys.
Because ungakhathala mama.
Yeah, mina, as much as you say, ngikhathele angakadiri, because I always fall back. Ngasala 3-4 days ngabheka. Let's try believe me ngizobheka. Ayangithola. Kuba these small things ezingitrigerayo ngithole sansenyabheka nje. You understand? But believe me, mina ngikhathele. Angizwile big man. Kuyini ngibheka mfethu? 22 years. Ngikhathele. Maybe one of the directors or something.
Alright, dear fellas, so do you want to quit? Like, okay, you're not great, but do you want to quit?
Yes.
You do want to quit.
I do want to quit. Rehab will do. Rehab is just the front. Rehab is just, I believe with Abazali, our police state has rehab. But they do take their kids to rehab. Marabuya, I got truly any support, you understand? So, many rehab won't do for me.
What support are you talking about? Like financial?
No. Support, finance was never support. Support routine. Those people maybe such wow, as we said, in that way, you understand? Support from your family, from your close friends or whatever. But they are for to talk to them, you understand? Not good money from more it's what our parents do. More I'm taking big next week I'll say good things because what's more important, such an amount. I state Bantabatal. Mazipeli Abantwana betu inte.
Yeah. We are love.
Yeah.
Now you got a big house.
Yeah.
You listen to church with your own.
Yeah. Money is.
We are Katela izinto wena uzibekezelele for years. Katela no cell phone, no talk. Katela whatever. We are you find out that you use things the Malinja or substitute. We understand. We are harmed in the head. We always police why you because as we are
believe me, it's not easy to but I'll keep my distance.
That's what the community does.
No, the community doesn't keep it distance. The community, I mind the big men who plans. I mean, about a month or 2 months back, you'll be planting these people batting doing a spam. I've never even carried a gun in Billionaire. I would spam shit batting in a puller is riding drum and spam. Only a cell phone. So that doesn't make sense. So I would never do such a thing.
All that admin budget at home.
But in 34. Only to find out after a while with Asim, they didn't even have the nerve to come and say, yourself police.
So then again, the scene.
Yeah, the scene happened, but unfortunately, now we have Mababa Mungo, Mutaba Mungo, sign number. Yeah, but you don't should talk. Let's say, what, you understand? So, I believe if the wind, look, the voice. Understand? But unfortunately, the thing we are solved there, I found out who Taboban, Babosha, Daboban. Until today, Daboban, Daboban is being battled soul. But they feel castle, maybe 20 in card, like it was a Fungum Kawata for something I never did.
So, we're going to do police and we again. When you don't when they never came to apologize. Is there somebody that you feel when those who are like this
fine. You fine. We only have Sapir. Who you want to bring a time with Mamma Fit. Nala Corner, the Dana police, in all the pain and all the drama and all the nonsense I've put you through. Fine. Angel, women of colors, may your soul rest in peace. I'm very much sorry. That's the only person I'd love to apologize to. You won't listen no more. Big man.
All right. Ikamana mapititi mahoni ya ibada mapititi so wewe hiyo kupatu wewe sinatube ya ile la story mapititi ya mwana na mwana kaka okay na mimi nitamshughulisha gani but so wewe kupachina na guys bona please don't forget to subscribe like mapititi share mapititi na pande mbele mbele sisi hii ni mimi sisi mapititi sibona mapititi mahoni
sorry